2. Perpetrators of crimes against humanity under Section 6 of Republic Act 9851 or the Philippine Act on Crimes Against International Humanitarian Law, Genocide, and Other Crimes Against Humanity. Former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, Senator Roland Bato de la Rosa, Senator Christopher Lawrence Bongo, former PNP Chief Oscar David Albayalde, former PNP Chief Debold Sinas, Police Colonel Royina Garma, Police Colonel Edilberto Leonardo, and Hermina Muking Espino.
Ang tanong ko dito, hindi kaya nilagnat si Barbers nung sinabi niya yun? Matatawa na lang tayo sa mga pinagagawa ng Quadcom na to, no? Pagkatapos ng lahat-lahat guys ng investigations nila sa drug war ni PRRD, yun lang, recommendation lang yung masasabi nila. Puro recommendation lang. Nakasuhan ng ganito, kasuhan ng ganyan. Pucha. Nilagnat yata si Ace Barbers. Yun lang guys, maraming salamat at Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. Natatawa pa kay Barbers eh.